Affiliate marketing is dead. The truth no one else will tell you. Affiliate marketing for beginners. This is my review and why this is one of the best, if not the best, beginner-friendly system. Number one, everybody needs traffic. Number two, and most importantly, not all these are these traffic gurus where you can get clicks, leads, and even guaranteed sales for even half off. But we have the best bonuses. Our Team Freedom Warriors, we have almost $15,000 in bonuses, including the best training, bar none, on step-by-step, over-the-shoulder, on how to build any business, especially Traffic Mentor. We're going to teach you the skills to pay the bills so you can explode any business, because we're going to teach you ABC on how to rank videos. So you can rank any videos now or in the future once you learn this skill. And that's just a tip of the iceberg, because it's not just about ranking videos. It's about getting them on the right social media channels and the exact keywords to rank for, the exact steps. This is copy and paste simple because of how powerful the system is set up. Not only that, but every day he's on live helping, 6 days a week, helping people for 2 hours a day, live, to build whatever business you want. Live help. The first step for you, your people, and other people, and you can give away these bonuses for free, by the way, as your own. Once you get in the system, you can give away these bonuses as well. We're going to help you without a traffic rotator. So that's done for you, especially if you come in the third level. But that's help you out with leads, sales. Every time I get a sale, I'm going to put an all-in sale. I'm going to put the money, all the money, in the rotator and help somebody out. So you might want to get in first. So you're going to be just you and me in the rotator. So that's another bonus. And this is the trainings come from the number one affiliate in Affiliate Mentor, the number one leader. And also, he's been leader in many, many, many companies, including, I think he was top 200 earner even at 15 years old, 16 years old. Crazy. This guy goes above and beyond. Like, he has spent so much time with me my first week, and it was fun, not even funny. Like, probably easily spent 12 hours because he also was building my funnel. So yeah, this is the best beginner-friendly bonus because of the traffic, the done-for-you follow-up from the Affiliate Mentor, the fact that they offer guaranteed leads and sales. That's not going to last, by the way. Their copy is killing it. And traffic is necessary. It's the most key thing. The next is having a mentor that's going to teach you everything, honestly. And somebody that's available live. The first step for you and your people and their people, etc., is to get on one-on-one call with the guy who got me in, my upline. And he, again, is the number one affiliate. Affiliate Mentor for beginners. This is my review and why I love this program. The bonuses will kill it with any business. This will help you build any business, and he'll help you build any business. But you got to get it through me. And if you're interested, comment, I'm ready, and I'll get you the information. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Salehman. It's my Affiliate Mentor for Beginners video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.